Akshita Malik here again. So I've just come from my medical college. Now I'm taking my car to my clinic. I reached my hospital and my patient is waiting, and actually I was little late. So meanwhile my fellow doctors are examining the patient, as a doctor's job is a very responsible job. Do you know that this patient is having so many cavities and other issues? God bless my soul. Please, friends, take care of your oral hygiene. Do you know that through our 5 years of course, we had to study many subjects. So it's very hard becoming a doctor. Let's just brush, keep brushing, make sure all the bacteria is out. Now I'll just rub it a little, make sure it's dry before we applied the medicine. And my fellow doctor has saw something, so I hand the tool over to him. Oh, it looks very serious. I saw a big cavity. Let's treat it carefully. So we all are discussing what to do. Now our doctor fellow said that we should use this tool. So thankfully the surgery was successful. It took 2 hours, and here's our photographer. He's taking some pics for media promotion. And now we are in another clinic. So here our fellow doctor is teaching us about the BP, how we check it. He's showing us the case. So he's telling us about low blood pressure, high blood pressure. It's very important to know low blood pressure and high blood pressure during when our patient is sick. So we need to know everything that a doctor needs to know. It's very exhausting in a doctor's day. He's showing us some graphs, charts to monitor the whole body. And now we're going to another place. Okay, so here he's going to tell us how we see the hearts. He's showing us the monitor to keep an eye on the patient's heartbeat and pulse rate. In very critical moments, we use this device to help us find out if critical the patient is. So we monitored everything. So we are discussing. Oh, okay, friends. So we are going to pick up a patient. So we are in an ambulance. So really, it was a very exhausting day. So we went for some entertainment. Now we're here.